Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Mentoria Medicina YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the next examination for the medical graduates. National Exit Exam, abbreviated as NEXT Exam, is proposed by National Medical Commission of India. It is to judge overall knowledge, both theoretical and practical, gained by a MBBS student. By the implementation of the next examination, it will replace NEET PG, which is the entrance exam for the PG seats, and the FMG examination, which is a screening test for the foreign medical graduates. Both Indian medical graduate and foreign medical graduates should sit for this examination. It will be conducted once in a year. Coming to the pattern of this next examination, it will be conducted in two phases, next 1 and next 2. Next one will be MCQ type, which will be held in 3 days, 2 sessions per day, which consists of 540 MCQ in all. The first section, pre-lunch section, which consists of 120 MCQ, which have a duration of 3 hours, and second section, it is post-lunch section, which consists of 60 MCQ, which have a duration of 1.5 hours. First day, the first section, pre-lunch section, contain medicine and allied subjects, and post-lunch section will be the pediatrics. In the second day, the pre-lunch section will be the surgery and allied subjects, and post-lunch will be the ENT. Third day, the pre-lunch section will be the obstetrics, gynecology and medical allied subject, and post will be the ophthalmology. Allied subjects include ortho, psychiatry, radiology, dermatology, etc. The proposed pattern of the question is 60% problem solving, which will be in the application level, 30% comprehension and analysis, and rest 10% recall type of questions. After passing the next one examination, the candidate can go for 1 year of internship. Next 2 will be a practical exam at the end of the internship, which will be a pass or fail examination. Only next 2 passed candidates will get the license to practice in India, and also those who have cleared next 2 can apply for PG seats, and the selection will be based on the next 1 score. In the case of a foreign medical graduate, after completing their graduation in foreign medical university, first they want to attend next 1, followed by the internship and the next 2. There will be no more MCI screening test, that is FMG, after the implementation of this next examination. In the case of IMG, Indian medical graduate, it is not yet confirmed that do they have the final year exam or not, or it will be replaced by this next examination. In short, to get license to practice in India, it will be compulsory to pass the next 1 and next 2. These are proposed by the National Medical Commission. Final idea about the next examination is not yet available. It is supposed to be implemented by 2022. I hope you got a little idea about this next examination. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you are watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is given in the description box.